What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay back at it again with a weekly trade update. This was a weird week. I was moving, so I didn't take a lot of trades. And yeah, man, the setup actually presented itself quite a few times this week. I was a little nervous because Monday and Tuesday were kind of slow, or like Wednesday, I think. But yeah, man, I only got one trade in this week. It was a winner. But we're going to go through all these trades that I would have taken. I guess we're just going to tape read, I guess. And I literally sat at my desk today and I literally stared at the trade and I didn't take it today, which would have been a winner. But I don't know what I was thinking, bro. I don't know if I'm losing confidence in my strategy, which I don't understand why. I've been doing this strategy for like pretty much a year now, so I don't understand why. But I literally stared at like the setup, and I didn't take it. And it actually gave me two setups, and both setups won. Damn near three setups, and all three setups won, and I didn't take any of them. So yeah, I gotta get better. I think I was being too cautious with NFP week. I think I was like, I know NFP in the back of my mind, so I was just kind of like scared. But in order to be a good trader, you gotta trade all sessions, bro. So I was up for it. I was staring right at my computer, but I didn't take none of those positions, and it hit three times. But that's also good intel for me in the future. Again, when I go on a losing streak or whatever, I can look back and say, no, bro, look, the strategy still hits. You're letting your psychology win. The strategy still hits. Like look at all the times that the strategy hit. You just didn't take it. It hit three times in my face. It played in my face three times. It's like, here, bro. All right, here's another entry. Okay, here's another entry, and I didn't take any of them. But yeah, let's get into it. I've also been noticing too, like I'm just gonna start trading after 10 p.m. like the silver bullet hour that ICT always talks about because honestly, all my trades always hit before then. I mean, always hit after 10. They always like take effect. There's a few more things I've been noticing too about you know, my setup that I got to like I guess take note of and probably move forward doing this as well. So Monday, let's see, Monday, and I know you see my charts look a little different. I was watching my old tapes, and I liked how pretty and simple my charts looked when I was trading um, um, the Judas swing model. I'll just show you. Um, like back when I first started trading, like my charts look simple. That's what I'm saying. And I like that. I like the simplicity of my charts looking like that. Instead of all those damn lines, I'm only looking for the daily range higher or low to be taken anyway, so it really don't even matter. Anyway, so let's get to it. Let's see. I want to say Monday it was like this. Um, this is something that I noticed about my trading strategy that I need to figure out, and I guess try to respect. I guess. Well, so we took the daily range high and low, but I don't trade as soon as the market opens. So I wait 15 minutes, but now I'm gonna start waiting until 10 a.m. So let's just say all trades we waited until 10 a.m. Right? So all right, looking at 10 a.m. Cool. So 10 a.m. Get the breaker structure. I usually wait 10 minutes after news anyway. But um, so right here, this candle breaks the structure, leaves behind the gap. You could have got in right here. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, that's why. I'm not following my own rules. Um, I think I was scared about this stop loss being so high, but again, I'm not following my rules. If the stop loss is above 38 points, then I always use candle one of the fair value gap sequence, which is right here. So if this gave us the gap, I should have used candle one, and I would have had an easy one to two. Literally easy one to two, bro. Like I don't know what I was thinking. I just missed this trade. Easy win. Um, but yeah, even that it gave me another entry. Um, price came all the way back down to this fair value gap down here, to this gap down here, and and look what happened. I missed this one. I don't know, for some reason, I just don't think 1 minute fair value gaps are that strong, but as you can see, that they really are. I mean, fair value gaps aren't just random things, bro. Like, these are big banks making these moves. There's orders that haven't been filled down here. They literally came right back down. I mean, I'm talking about close to an hour and a half later, came right back down to this gap, filled it, and took off again. And I missed this one too. There's multiple times this week during NFP week that this has happened. So I've been taking note of like price coming back down to like the first fair value gap of like the move, like all that kind of stuff. Because again, this means something. This isn't just all randomly happened. Big banks made this move to the upside, but they didn't get all the orders filled, so they came back down for them and did it again. Literally another 1 to 2. I'm just missing all these trades because of my. I don't know. I'm just. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with me. I gotta fight this funk and get back to what I was doing. But yeah, so missed that one. Let's just go to it. Let's see what we got. Move that one. So I missed that win, but it's good. It's good for me tape reading. Tuesday. Oh, Tuesday was a weird ass trade where I got tagged in down here. Um, yeah, I got tagged in down here, but I think ES. I think ES hit. Or was that Monday? Oh yeah. ES had a Monday setup that was a winner. Um, so remember on Monday, NQ took the lows, ES didn't. ES took the highs. It came back up, took the daily range high again, and you got break structure on this candle. Boom. Fair value gap. I don't. If it's more than 5 points, I don't like it. I mean, I'm not gonna. If there's more than 5 points, then it's like, all right, I'm gonna leave it at five. If you just do five, breaker structure, left the gap, got tagged in, easy 1 to 1, close half. So what's up my entry? Or got stopped back out at partial win, but it did go down to pretty far. So yeah, you could have got that buy or sell. Let me see, Tuesday. And if NQ and ES both set up like at the same time, I'm always going to take NQ, just for future reference. If they both set up at the same time, I'm also take NQ. Tuesday was a weird trade that I got tagged in that I put on my Instagram, on my TikTok and YouTube short. Wednesday, I want to say Wednesday was nothing. Oh no, Wednesday I got in this trade Wednesday. Yeah. That's right. Let me see. Wednesday was the first. Wednesday shorts. Yeah. I got in on that. I got in on that. And this was that trade I'm talking about. I said I got tagged in at the end of the session. But yeah, Wednesday was a win. What I do? Oh yeah, it was right here. So we got a late breaker structure at like 11. Still my windows. We're gonna be from 10 to noon. So I'm gonna be trading after 10. After 10, breaker structure, left the gap, stop loss right here. Boom. My 1 to 1 was hit. I think I just closed full right here. Yeah, I closed full, but I'm gonna stop doing that too. So it should be 1 to 1. Stop loss at my entry. Target on 1 to 2. Boom. What did I hit? But yeah, that's what happened with that. That was the win. Technically, I should be up 2-0 for the week. I didn't trade Thursday. I was moving this day. This day and Thursday, I moved. So I was tired as fuck this day. But it looked like this strategy would have won. And it's so cool that it's one during NFP week too. So if we take trades only after 10 o'clock, is right here. So we swept the daily range low. Came down, where we at? 10. Got the breaker structure. Boom. Huge stop loss. So candle number one would have been right there. You would have got 1-to-1 stupid fast. 1-to-1. Stop with some entry would have got tagged out. But you can see it ran, bro, for jeez. But that's my rule. When price hits 1-to-1, my stop loss is at my entry and I close half. And it came back and tagged me out. So that's cool. So that's 3-0 for the week. Would have been 3-0 for the week. Again, I'm just kind of tape reading now. And then today was the NFP day, the nasty day. Boom, cool. Then we had 10 a.m. news, so obviously wait. And then it was this chart I was looking at right here. So these two candles broke the structure, left the gap. Look at how many times this small gap was respected, bro. All right, I was staring right at this, bro. I was staring right at this, and I did not take it. All right, so that's 1-to-1 hit, right? You get tagged in, 1-to-1 hit in 1, 2, 4 minutes. That's a win. Okay, cool. You know what? Here, let's give you another entry. Right here, the same gap. Boom, stop loss above this high, whatever. 1-to-1 hit again. That's two. That's two wins. And I'm not cherry picking. I'm going off the same fair value gap. I have not moved this dark gray line at all. Same fair value gap. That's two wins. And then it came back and it didn't really tag you in. It depends on where you put your thing at, but it sort of respected this fair value gap, came all the way back up and reacted off this area and dropped. So I'm not counting this as like a win, but it never really tagged you in. But yeah, bro, like that's literally crazy though. Like 3 times. So theoretically, the strategy would have been 4-0 all week during NFP. Like this is the type of psychological, I guess, intel that I need to help me for next week. Like, yo, bro, look, the strategy works. Stop being scared. I don't know why I'm being scared for. I've been doing this shit for like 4 years, but this week I've been like nervous. I don't understand why. Like I'm not confident in my setup. And I'm being real and being transparent with you guys. I'm not faking it or capping it or whatever. But like, I don't know. For some reason this week I just felt iffy. I just felt blah. So, but moving forward, we're gonna get right. We're gonna take every entry that we see, win, lose, or draw, and obviously you guys know I'm gonna document it and everything. So, but yeah, man, damn, the strategy was 4-0 this week. That's crazy. I only took one of those trades. Damn. Yeah, you just gotta trust your system, man. Just gotta trust your system, bro. So, and I'm documenting everything, bro. Like, I'm not hiding anything. Like, this is my true thoughts and true feelings. Everything. I'm giving it to you raw. Pause. But yeah, man. So that's what we got. I only took one trade this week. Well, 1.5. That break even trade. I don't even count that. But yeah, one trade, one winner on Wednesday, and then this was that got in on accident kind of trade. But yeah, man, that's all we got. We're gonna get right next week. Now I'm gonna be out of town for 2 weeks, so I'll be trading off my laptop. So it'll be all YouTube shorts for the next 2 weeks. I'm gonna be again out of town, so I won't have I don't have a MacBook. I have a Mac Mini, so I'm making these videos. So I got a little Dell computer, so I don't have you know that software to do all this stuff. So again, it'll be all YouTube shorts for the next 2 weeks until I come back home mid-May. So, all right, man, that's all I got. I'll see y'all Monday.